We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're taking a look at this Brother MFC L5800 printer, and today we're going to show you how to replace your toner cartridge. So if you've been getting a low toner or replace toner message, we're going to show you how to get that taken care of. It's a very simple process. First thing you want to do is we're going to need to lower this front cover. So in order to do that, here on the front right side there's going to be a button. You're going to push down on that button and lower this front door here. And you're going to see a big handle right here in the middle. You're going to want to grab that. You're going to lift just a little bit and pull straight out. And so now what we've done is we've actually removed your drum and your toner. So now we need to separate the toner from the drum. And if I flip this around, you'll see there's a little blue button here on the back side. You're going to push down on that. And then once you push down on that blue lever, you'll be able to separate your toner from the drum. So now that you have your drum all ready to go and your old toner removed, once you have your new toner unpacked and ready to go, double check it, make sure there's no packaging material anywhere. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to lift it up at an angle, slide the front half of the cartridge in first, and then push down until it clicks into its locked position. When you pick it up, it should lift the whole thing. Now that you've installed your toner and attached it to your drum, what you want to do is here on the front of the drum, there's this little green tab. What you want to do is go ahead and swipe it all the way across the top of this drum. You want to do it 2 or 3 times. You want to do this anytime you replace your toner. And it's really important. If you look at the top, there's a little arrow that points upward. And on the drum itself, there's another arrow. You want, whenever you're done with this, you want to make sure that you park this little green tab all the way over to the sides so those green arrows are pointing at each other. If you leave it anywhere else, you're going to end up with a print defect wherever it sits. So you want to make sure that you push all the way back over so those arrows align back up. And now that you've had that all done, go ahead and take your drum and your toner. We're going to install it back into the printer. Push it all the way in firmly until it clicks all the way down into place. We're going to close this front cover. Now we'll give the printer a second to initialize, and then once it comes back to its normal ready state, you'll be good to go and back up and printing. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer this for you. Also, if there's any way we can help supply with any of your printer or office supply needs, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help supply those for you as well. We hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.